You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They look fairly similar, but they have very different meanings, different spellings, and different pronunciations. Your top word here is pronounced waste. English pronunciation, waste. What you throw away, your garbage, rubbish, waste. Waste. The bottom word is a direction, west. West. West is your bottom word here, waste. So for the top word you have a diphthong, waste. You actually have two different sounds, aist, a. The bottom word only has one sound, est, west. Waste is the top word, west is your bottom word. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.